What's going on, my spooky Asian ghouls? So today I'm creating a gothic Barbie look. I don't know how to explain this. I just want to do like a kind of like a trad goth looking cut crease, but using some pink eyeshadows, black lipstick, some black vinyl top, something classically Barbie-ish. It's how I feel like a goth in the Barbie world would look like. It'd still look goth, but it'd have a little bit of elements of pink. Also because I don't own any pink in my closet, so I'm still gonna be wearing black. Like, honestly, I had a hard time finding some pink makeup in my current makeup stash right now, so that was kind of hard. I know I have pinks, they're just not with me. But luckily I had some eyeshadow palettes, I had little pinks here and there. I also have like a blush palette too, so that'll help. But yeah, so I'm thinking something dramatic cut crease, dramatic nose contour like I'll normally do with my tri-goth makeup, my eyeshadow. Also, I think this is something I'll totally wear to go see the Barbie movie. I'm not sure if I actually would want to take the time before going to see it to do my makeup all dramatic, but it'd be cool. It's like when you got Oppenheimer to watch at 12 and then you got see Barbie later at 2. This is what I'd wear. I kind of also wanted to recreate like a vampire Barbie look. I'll put a picture up here on the screen. She was like one of the vampire collectors. She kind of had like Elvira-esque hair and she just had like really pretty makeup. She just looked really pretty. I loved her outfit. Really wish I had gotten that Barbie a long time ago. But yeah, I think I want to recreate something like that more towards Halloween time, do like a vampire Barbie. But right now we're doing a gothic Barbie. Also, since the Barbie movie is coming out, or has come out already by the time this video is uploaded. So obviously I already added my base makeup, my foundation, my concealer, eye primer and everything. Face is all white and I look like a ghost. I love it. If you guys are interested in seeing how I do my foundation, leave a comment down below so that way I can do a video soon. Kind of go into details of what foundations I use, what concealers I have used, powder, etc. I think that'd be kind of cool tutorial or like just a cool video to do. I've been wanting to do it for a while, just haven't had time. So yeah, so let's get into it. Also, here's Bean. He wanted to come say hi. Okay, so first I'm diving into the Lunatic Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm actually using it for the blush shades for my eyeshadow. This is this eyeshadow palette, or this contour palette is completely eye safe. I've used it before my eyes. I've done a tutorial using the pinks before in the past, a long time ago, years ago actually, but we're gonna be doing a new one today. So first I'm gonna dive into the lightest shade of pink here just to create a base shade, and I'm gonna blend it all over my eyelid, kind of creating a wing shape with the eyeshadow. Alright, so next we're diving into second pink shade of the Lunatic Cosmetics eyeshadow contour palette. This one's a bit of a brighter pink. Like the first one was a more of a pale, muted pink. This one's more brighter. For me going in and kind of darkening the area that we had just previously applied the eyeshadow to. I'm also blending the eyeshadow down onto my nose to kind of create a nose contour. Okay, so next I'm diving into Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 5 palette. And I'm diving into the shade E2. This is kind of a little bit purplish. I'm hoping it doesn't make the eyeshadow look too purple, but it seems like the right darkness I want it to be. So I'm diving into it and creating more of the crease. So basically I'm blending it or like applying it along the line here that I created onto the nose. So like the main eyeshadow, kind of blend it out, and then we're gonna create like a cut crease kind of deal going on. And then also we're gonna take the blending brush and kind of blend it into the previous eyeshadows that we have applied. This is basically like the makeup I usually do with all the black and gray eyeshadows, but pink. Okay, so next I'm cutting my crease using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer and a little brush. And I'm basically following along the line and just cutting the crease. You could also, of course, use concealer for this part or foundation. Okay, next I'm diving into the Norvina palette again, and I'm diving into the shade A1, which is white. And basically I'm applying it all over the crease I had just cut, just kind of give it a base shade. Okay, so I'm going on the shade E2 again, which is the dark purple or dark pink that I had used. And I'm just going to apply some of the eyeshadow onto the outer corner of my eye and blend it in to my eye a little bit. It's kind of create like kind of a wing. I'm also going to add some a little bit onto the inner corner of my eye just to give it some depth. Next we're diving into the shade E1, which is a pink shimmery eyeshadow. I'm applying it all over my eyelid, center, all along the crease, everywhere. Yeah, we just want a bunch of pink glitter everywhere. Okay, so next I'm going to be diving into the KVD Vegan Beauty eyeshadow palette, Saint Sinner, and we're going to be diving into the shade Rapture, which is a shimmery pink, and I'm applying that onto my eyelid as well. Probably more on like the inner corners, outer corners of the eye where I had added the darker eyeshadow. Okay, so next I'm diving into the Norvina palette again, and we're diving into the shade D2, which is a pink glitter. Kind of looks like it has some shades with yellows and blues and purples in it, and I'm basically going to put it all over my eyelid just to give myself a nice glittery shine. I already had applied some to this eye just to see how it looked like, and I like it, so we're going to add it. Okay, so next I'm doing the under eyes, and I'm basically going to be doing like all the pink eyeshadow shades from the Linda Cosmetics contour palette, and of course the dark shade from the Norvina Volume 5 palette. I'm going to be blending them all together underneath the eye. Kind of creating like a little wing too on the inner corner of my eye as well. Okay, so I kind of added a little bit of a darker purple to like the wing in my inner corner. Wing, just kind of accentuate it a little bit to make it darker. I'm using the dark purple eyeshadow. I used D5 from the Norvina Volume 5 palette, of course. It's like a dark plum purple. Not too much, but just a little bit, just to give it some depth. Next I'm going to be adding some eyeliner onto my waterline, some mascara to my eyelashes off camera, so I'll be right back to you guys. Okay, so yeah, with the black eyeliner, I feel like it looks a lot better, more drawn in. I was a little worried about it being too pink for a little bit. I was like, ooh, maybe I messed up, maybe I should have gone darker, but this is Barbie, so yes, I am loving it. Just like a trend goth Barbie. So next I'm going to be doing my brows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Depop Pomade in Granite, and of course I'm using this little angled brush. I'm going to be doing some thin, high arch gothic eyebrows. Okay, so I did my contour off camera. Really sharp, very goth, very trad goth. So next I'm doing lipstick. I'm using black lipstick, of course. This one's from Beauty Bakery in the shade Midnight Truffles. And I feel like this is probably the best black lipstick I've ever tried, or just lipstick in general. Liquid lipstick at least. Because it does not budge even when I eat food. Sometimes like even like when I mean like a really crazy pasta or sandwich, just like it barely even budges. Like maybe the center of it budges a tiny bit, but it stays on really well. Especially like the outline of it, like the outside of it. Like this lipstick can last like literally all day long. Love it. And it's really comfortable to wear. Okay, so I'm gonna add some really big dramatic lashes off camera and I'll be right back to you guys. I'm gonna go do my hair, change into a different outfit, and I will be right back to you guys. Okay guys, so here is the end result and I love it. I love this top. It was actually a bodysuit from Forever 21 that I got like earlier this year, I believe. Fredericks of Hollywood. It's okay. It doesn't have stretch, so it's really hard to put on and take off without dislocating a shoulder. But yeah, it's totally worth it. Yeah, I totally feel like a goth Barbie right now, mom. Plastic clothing. Life in plastic is fantastic. Total like goth, bondage goth Barbie right now. Love it. Also feel like there's one vampire character, I can't remember the name of, I'll put a picture of her up here on the screen. Totally feel like her right now. And I feel like the eyeshadow kind of looks more reddish than I intended it to. It's funny because whenever I do red eyeshadow, it looks more pink than I want it to. So I think this is pretty funny, but it's probably just the purples. But I mean, it does have pink in it still. Or like I can totally see the pink in it, so whatever. Totally screams goth Barbie. Yep, so this is like the outfit you wear when you have to go see Oppenheimer first and then Barbie afterwards. Best of both worlds. But yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I had a ton of fun creating this look. Wasn't really feeling the pink at first, to be honest, you guys. I don't really wear pink makeup very often, so I was kind of scared. I was like, oh my god, this is not looking good. But once I added the eyeliner and the mascara and eyelashes and like the brows and everything, the contour and the lipstick, once everything tied together, then I liked it. At first I was kind of hating it, but I was like, okay, just trust the process. But I love it, especially with the whole outfit and everything, so I look great. So make sure to leave a like and comment down below. Tell me if you guys are going to be seeing the Barbie movie, if you guys are going to dress up or not, if you're going to be recreating this makeup tour or not, or kind of creating something similar to it. Of course, you don't have to wear pink to go see Barbie. Obviously, this is an all black outfit, but you can always throw in some pink with their makeup, whether it's eyeshadow or lipstick. There are Barbie goths out there, although I'm more of a Living Dead girl or Monster High girl. Actually, I do have a whole Barbie collection video that I posted years ago, like I don't know, maybe like 4 or 5 years ago. If you guys are interested in that, go check it out. I'll leave a link down to it down below in my description box. I do collect Barbie dolls, or at least I used to. I'm more into like Monster High now. Although I did collect Monster High back then too, so. But I do collect Barbies, so there's that. I've always been a Barbie girl. But I definitely want to create a vampire Barbie makeup look. Create one of the vampire haunted, from the haunted collection, one of the vampire dolls. I totally want to do that. So probably more towards Halloween. Be on the lookout for that. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys have a safe, wonderful, and spooky day. Bye guys.